Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Clash Royale on PC using MuMu Player. First, navigate to the official MuMu Player website and download the emulator. It's crucial to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically including at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor, for a seamless experience. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This initial setup is quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes, getting you ready for the next step. With MuMu Player successfully installed, your next step is to get Clash Royale. Open the emulator and locate the Google Play Store icon, which functions just like it does on a mobile device. Click on it, then use the search bar at the top to type in Clash Royale. Once the game appears in the search results, simply click the Install button. The download size is typically around 100 megabytes, and the installation will proceed automatically, preparing the game for its first launch. Now that Clash Royale is installed, let's optimize your gameplay. MuMu Player offers a robust key mapping tool, usually found on the right-hand sidebar. Open this tool to assign specific keyboard keys to in-game actions, such as deploying troops or activating spells. For instance, you might map your troop cards to the number keys 1 through 4. Additionally, consider adjusting the graphics settings within both the game and the emulator itself to achieve the best balance between visual quality and smooth performance, aiming for 60 frames per second. Finally, you're all set to enjoy Clash Royale on your PC with MuMu Player. The larger screen provides a significant advantage, offering a much clearer strategic overview of the entire arena. Take some time to practice with your newly configured keybinds. Muscle memory will greatly improve your reaction times in battles. Don't forget to explore all the features MuMu Player offers, like multi-instance mode for playing multiple games simultaneously. Dive into the action, join a clan, and dominate the arenas with enhanced precision and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.